Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I bought a feeding chair. It's called a baby dining chair. So I'm going to unbox it with you and assemble it together. I don't know if it has a manual, but that's what we're going to do. And you can see it's written a baby dining chair. Yeah, so let's do this. Let's open it together and I got pink in color. I don't know if it's pink or peach, but there were no other colors. This was the only remaining color, and I kind of needed it urgently, so I had to go with it. So here, I guess this is on the seat. Let's remove the rest. These are wheels. Oh, it has wheels as well. So we will assemble this once we remove everything from the box. Oh, there's a manual, so we're going to follow this manual. I hope it works. So here we go. I guess this is the feeding tray, which has another tray on top that you can remove and wash. I like that about it. So part of the chair. It has belts as well if your baby is small, still not able to sit down completely on their own. So I guess these are the legs. It kind of looks like a potty. Let's look at the manual. Let me show you. So let's see where we're going to start installing the accessories. So number one, the steel rods are taken out from the base, which is the base. Let's look for the base. I guess this is the base. Which steel rods? Oh, they already out. I guess these are the steel rods. And this as well. So number two, the total 8 rods, 4 units for each type of rods, which are 4. Let's open them up. Open all these 4. So number 2, total 8 rods, 4 units for each type of rods. So we have 4 units for The total is 8 rods. Number 3 is connect 2 steel rods. Press the steel ball for inserting the steel rod like this. I don't know if I'm going to do it. So this is how we're gonna do it. Yeah. How many should I connect? There are 2. I'm not so sure, but let's do this. All of them. So we need 4 legs for the chair. So I guess I'm doing it correctly. So this way. Yeah, so we have 4 legs. Then installation number 4, install the foot pad. Make sure all the steel ball red point are aligned. Do we have a red point here? Really? Can't see a red point. Okay, let's see. Which is the foot pad? Oh, this is the foot pad. Okay, so let's see. I guess it's like this. Foot pad. I think we're doing it correctly. Here we go. These are the foot pads. So all our legs, oh my goodness, legs. All our legs are ready on in the foot pad. So make sure the steel ball are aligned with the hole. Then insert the steel rod into chair body. Guess this is the chair body. How am I going to do this? This is the chair body. This is supposed to go here. Okay, align the pedal with the chair body and press hardly. This is the foot chair, so I'm going to align this. Oh my god, I'm not sure if this is how it's done. Yes. That's how it's supposed to be. And then we're going to add our legs here. Yeah. My god. These things have to come into place, which is the most difficult thing. I'm even sweating doing it. 2 more to go. My goodness. So we have our chair ready. My god. There we go. at the dining plates. How's this done, baby? I don't know how to do this. I'm tired. The chair supposed to be like. You don't know. Oh, we got it. So that's the chair. We're going to add the buckles. These buckles. Oh, this put. I don't know how the buckles are put there. I'm not sure how the buckles are put, so we're going to leave them. How are we going to put them? So let's put this, the chair. I guess this is supposed to be like this. That's the chair, which is wipeable. This material is wipeable. It's kind of leather type. Yeah, so you can wipe it. You can remove it off and just wipe it and then return it. So we're going to fix the dining seat. It's adjustable. You can fix anywhere between this according to the size of the baby. So let's do the first two. And the other side as well. There we go. It's ready. I don't know how to put the buckles, but I guess our chair is ready. So there is the footrest. We have the footrest over here. We have the dining tray over here. And the dining tray is removable. So you kind of have like two dining trays. So you can use this. And then once the baby is done eating, just remove it, wash it and return it. Or you can use the other dining tray. So this is our chair. This is how it looks. It's comfortable, though it's not reclinable. There are others that are reclinable, but this is the choice I made. If you want to get a reclinable one, it's still okay. So I don't know how to adjust the buckles. I guess these holes are for the buckles. I don't know how to put them on. So these are the buckles. If anyone knows how to do it, please comment below in the comment section. Let me know how you did yours. If you have a similar make of a dining chair or a feeding chair for the baby, so please comment on the comment section below. Help me out so that I can fix the buckles for the baby. Yes, so that's our full chair. So it also comes with wheels. If you want to install the wheels on the footrest, I mean on the four legs, you can install the wheels. So as you can see there, I've not installed the wheels yet. You can just remove this part and install the wheels instead if you want for it to be movable easily. It's also movable the way it is. It's not difficult, but it makes quite some noise. So to avoid damage, I guess you should use the wheels if you want to move the baby around as they eat, you know, babies. So the other thing about this chair, it converts into a low chair. As you can see, these legs, there are kind of two rods for each leg. So you can remove this leg and just remain with one leg for it to be a shorter chair if you wish it to be a low chair. Thank you guys for watching. So we are done installing the feeding chair or the dining chair. It makes it easy for you to feed the baby instead of holding them. It also gives the baby opportunity to learn to feed themselves when they are on their chair. I mean, they become independent, which is a very good thing. So I'm going to plug you where I got this feeding chair. It was quite affordable. It was around 7,000 shillings. I'll leave the name of the shop below or in the description box below. It's very affordable and it's in town. They deliver countrywide, and they also have an Instagram page, a Facebook page. You can chat with them on WhatsApp and they can deliver to you wherever you are. So thank you guys. Please remember to comment if you know how to fix the buckles or the belts. Let me know how to do it, and thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye. So this is the aftermath of the feeding chair after installing it. This is how it looks. So the next day I went to fix my daughter's glasses. One frame arm broke, and it was quite expensive to replace at the hospital where I got them, so I had to go with Optica because they were quite affordable.